Automobile insurance. Managing the risk. Did you know? There are 35 million automobile accidents annually. Insurance information. Motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death in the United States. What is risk? Uncertainty about a situation's outcome. Unpredictable events which can lead to loss or damage. What is auto insurance? Is an arrangement between an individual, consumer, and an insurer, insurance company. It protects individuals against risk from automobile accidents. What is a policy? Policy, contract between the individual and insurer specifying terms of the insurance including premium, fee paid to the insurer to be covered under the specified terms. Deductible, amount paid by the policyholder for the initial portion of a loss before the insurance coverage begins. Purpose of auto insurance. To help individuals limit financial loss when an auto accident occurs. When people buy auto insurance, they transfer part of the financial risk to the insurance company. 4 types of cover: liability insurance, medical payment insurance, uninsured/underinsured motorists insurance, physical damage insurance, comprehensive, collision. Liability insurance. Liability insurance covers injuries or damage caused to other people or their property. 2 types of liability occur from owning and operating a vehicle. Bodily injury. Driver or car owner is held legally responsible for injuries suffered by another person. Property damage. Driver or car owner is held legally responsible for damaging another's property. Liability insurance continued. Policy limits for liability are usually quoted with 3 figures such as 25/50/10. Each figure represents a multiple of $1,000. 25 equals $25,000. Per person bodily injury limit. $25,000 is the most which will be paid for any one person's accident. 50 equals $50,000 per accident bodily injury limit. $50,000 is the most which will be paid for all bodily injury losses from an accident. 10 equals $10,000 per accident property damage liability limit. $10,000 is the most which will be paid in property damage liability from an accident. Liability insurance is the minimum amount of insurance required by law, does not cover losses suffered by the insured or property damage to that driver's car. If he or she caused the accident, must have at least the state minimum for liability insurance. Montana's minimum liability limits, 25/50/10. Medical payment insurance covers injuries sustained by the driver of the insured vehicle or any passenger regardless of fault, covers insured family members injured as passengers in a car or injured while on foot or bicycle, pays for hospital and medical bills, some pay for funeral expenses, not required in all states. Uninsured/underinsured covers injury or damage to the driver, passengers, or the vehicle caused by a driver with insufficient insurance situations where this is needed. Hit and run accidents, unidentified driver. Uninsured/underinsured covers injury or damage to the driver, passengers, or the vehicle caused by a driver with insufficient insurance situations where this is needed. Hit and run accidents, unidentified driver, accident with an uninsured driver, accident with someone with insufficient insurance to cover the losses not required in all states. Physical damage insurance provides protection for damages caused to the vehicle. 2 types of coverage are available. 1. Comprehensive coverage includes all physical damage losses except collision and other specified losses. Usually includes deductible. Losses covered include theft, vandalism, fire, ice, windstorm, or hail, glass breakage, contact with animal. 2. Collision coverage covers a collision with another object, car, or from a rollover paid regardless of fault, generally covered when driving someone else's car with their permission. Towing coverage pays the cost of having a vehicle towed to receive repairs. Rental reimbursement provides a rental car when the insured's vehicle is being repaired after an accident or if the vehicle was stolen, may provide only part of the funds. Insurance rates are determined for individual cases. These factors influence the rates. Age: people under age 25 pay higher premiums. Gender: men have more accidents, rates may be higher. Marital status: married drivers have fewer accidents, so rates are lower. Driving record: safe drivers have lower rates. Number and type of tickets will raise rates. Number and severity of accidents will raise rates. Type and age of vehicle: newer, more expensive, and higher repair cost vehicles have higher rates. Frequently stolen vehicles have higher rates. Color of vehicle does not matter. Driving record: safe drivers have lower rates. Number and type of tickets will raise rates. Number and severity of accidents will raise rates. Type and age of vehicle: newer, more expensive, and higher repair cost vehicles have higher rates. Frequently stolen vehicles have higher rates. Color of vehicle does not matter. Vehicle use: rates are usually higher when driving more than 7,500 miles a year. The more one drives, the greater the chance of an accident. Place of residence: rates vary among states. People in large cities usually pay more than in rural or suburban areas. Weather conditions may affect rates. Number of drivers on the policy: additional drivers raise the premium. Costs a driver under the age of 25 less to be added to his/her parents' policy than to purchase a separate bullock. Why driver training may receive a discount for having taken a driver's education course. Good student discount may receive a discount for good grades in school. Multiple car discount may receive a discount for having 2 or more vehicles on the same policy. Anti-theft systems may receive a discount for anti-theft devices such as car alarms. Multiple policies with the same company, having both auto and home insurance. Long-time customers: some companies might offer discounts to long-time customers. Shop around, select appropriate coverage and limits, avoid expensive or high-performance vehicles, take advantage of discounts.